So as you can see, there's a lot of damp in the house. So what I realised, ground level's literally matching height with the floor. So this is the flip view of the outside. So we're probably going to have to put damp-proof barriers up to 1 metre high. What we've done here, we've taken the render and the plaster down to the brick. We use DRYZONE damp proofing rods to plasticize the cement mix between the bricks, which stops rising damp. In case you're wondering, this is damp-proof render and it's resistant to damp and moisture.
I was doing a ceiling once in this house.
Yeah. If you have any questions, please comment below.
Last day of 2021 and this is what we are doing.
I repeat, this is the last day of 2021 and this is what we've done. Put chocolate on the wall with caramel biscuit.